We're hearing the same pitch everywhere right now. Why hire an employee that costs you $5,000 when a $20 AI tool can do the same job? No salary, no complaints, no HR issues. Just plug it in and your business supposedly runs itself. At least that's the dream. The reason that the dream spreads so fast is that everyone benefits from it. But when businesses actually try replacing humans with AI, something strange happens. Systems break, customers get bizarre replies, and sometimes the AI confidently schedules a business meeting with Jack from Bumble at 2:30 in the morning. So what's going on? Is the $20 AI employee the greatest productivity hack in startup history? Or is it the most overhyped myth on LinkedIn? Jeff Bezos once said he wanted Amazon employees to work hard, have fun, and make history. I suppose 2 out of 3 isn't bad, especially if you don't mind making history for having the highest warehouse injury rate in North America.
Well, at least the working hard bit is true, minus the fun. And quite frankly, that's the fantasy behind replacing humans with AI. You see, AI never sleeps, never complains, and definitely never asks for health insurance.
You can treat it like Elon treats his employees, making it work 120 hours a week, ignore the mental breakdowns, and fire it over email at 2 a.m. as part of the innovation process.
Cool. No? Okay. Basically, you replace a 5-figure employee with a $20 Zapier subscription and skip all that annoying stuff like morale, benefits, and basic human decency.
On paper, the logic sounds fantastic. Email sorting, calendar scheduling, data entry. That's grunt work. And AI absolutely destroys grunt work.
We actually believe AI can replace certain early hires, just not in the way the LinkedIn fire emoji crowd thinks. Because when founders start replacing humans with AI, 2 things happen that nobody ever talks about.
Firstly, AI exposes the chaos behind your business. The truth is, AI isn't replacing people. It's just revealing how much businesses still rely on humans, even if the internet keeps telling you otherwise.
And saying otherwise is, quite frankly, a lie. Everyone assumes AI will save time, but the real shock is what it reveals. When you plug AI into your business, it doesn't just do the work. It exposes the messy systems that human employees quietly fix in the background. Take our friend Adrian, founder of Gymbro Optimized.
The supplement brand for people who know what Big Pharma is really up to. Adrian's previous PA was called Margaret. Technically, she is his mom, but who's counting? He gave her access to his calendar and paid her in unsold supplements. The good stuff. You know, the ones banned in Australia.
And to be fair, Margaret wasn't perfect. She asked annoying questions like, "What time are you free for meetings?" and "Is it legal to sell something called Testosterone Explosion Extreme?"
Eventually, she asked one question too many. So Adrian fired her via voice note on her birthday.
Naturally, Adrian replaced her with AI, connected to his email and calendar. The instruction was simple: only accept important meetings. Day 1 went perfectly. Day 3, disaster.
Adrian logged into Zoom and found himself face to face with Jack from Bumble.
Apparently, they'd match at 2:30 a.m. while Adrian was deep in what he calls investigative journalism about why Big Pharma is hiding the truth about liver enzymes.
Adrian thought he was using Bumble Biz. He was not using Bumble Biz. But the AI saw phrases like "up for anything" and "open to something long term," and flagged the conversation as high-value opportunity. Meeting confirmed.
Meanwhile, actual suppliers and retailers were filtered out because they used words like next quarter and budget, which Adrian had told the AI to classify as low vibe.
And that's the point. The moment you plug AI into your workflow, it becomes painfully obvious which part of your business makes no sense. So why do we keep getting told that AI can simply replace everyone and do everything?
Well, it's because everyone benefits from it. The media gets clicks, creators get views, and big tech gets investment.
That's the irony. For all the clickbait and sensationalism, AI could actually end up creating more work. AI shows you who you actually need to hire. Many businesses hire the wrong employees because they're guessing what they need. Operations, marketing, content, who knows?
Instead, many founders follow Zuckerberg's philosophy of move fast and break things. But AI lets founders test roles before hiring someone. Our friend, Adrian, assumed his main problem was content. You see, his supplement brand had no blog, no traffic, and exactly 5 Instagram followers, including his mom and 4 bots.
So he used AI to generate content.
I think this AI agent is going to blow me up on Insta. It is working.
Within a week, the system had produced 15 blog posts with titles like "Sleep is a lie," "Why you still weak?"
And dominate your liver. 5 hacks Big Pharma won't tell you.
And the classic, "You're not tired, you're just underdosed."
Right. You see, but Adrian, he was thrilled. He posted on Insta, marketing solved, let's scale, yes. Then he sat back and waited for Shopify to crash from all the orders. It didn't.
2 weeks later, he still had 0 sales. And exactly 1 comment from his ex saying, "You okay?"
That's when Adrian realised the problem wasn't content. It was distribution, community, and trust. The AI had done its job perfectly, but Adrian hadn't done his. AI doesn't just do the work, it reveals which work actually matters.
So will replacing humans with AI become a long-term trend? Absolutely. But AI isn't replacing every employee. That is a lie. And this isn't one big lie, it's a loop. The media amplifies it, creators exaggerate it, and big tech quietly profits from it.
And the winners won't be businesses that automate everything. It'll be the ones who understand what should be automated and where human judgment still matters. You see, AI is fantastic for repetitive tasks. The boring admin work Brenda from HR loves? Automate it immediately. Just don't tell Brenda.
But when it comes to judgment, creativity, trust, and understanding customers, humans still matter. The real lesson isn't that AI replaces people. It's that AI forces businesses to finally build a system and hire the people they should have hired in the first place.
And that's the part that LinkedIn fire emoji crowd rarely tells you.